birthday Ate Tep, ang aming Mima Sor. Sana marami ko pang i-check sa akin. Galingan mo lagi sa school. Ingat always. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tepi. Happy birthday, Tepi. Wishing you happiness and good health and lots of smile today and always. Tepi, thank you sa lahat-lahat ha. At salamat din at naging kaibigan kita. Maraming salamat at tinanggap mo ako bilang kaibigan. Wala na akong ibang masabi, Tepi, kung di yan lang. At ulit, sana hindi ka magbago. At sana sa pagtumagal kami pa rin kaibigan. At Tepi, thank you. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ha. Thank you. Wala na akong itong masasabi kundi thank you. At yun lang. Wala nang iba. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. And ayun lang. Bye-bye. I love you so much. Happy birthday again, Tepi. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tepi. Happy birthday sa baby girl namin. Sana ang friendship natin nila kasi ay humaba pa. And alam mo yun, mahal na mahal kita. And mag-iingat ka lagi kung saan ka pupunta. And magpe-pray lagi. And sana marami pang blessings ang dumating sa inyo nila tita and nila ate. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Steph. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Galingan mo palagi. And ingat ka palagi sa lahat ng nangyayari sa iyong buhay. I miss you na. Sorry if hindi ako nakasama or hindi ako nakakapunta pag inaaya niyo ako. Kasi, syempre, busy days. Kasi, panghapon yung uwi ko. And hindi natugma yung schedule. Alam nyo na yun. Kasi, 5 na yung uwi ko. Tapos, anong oras kayo? O, diba? Kayo, may chance pa na magkakasama kayo. Sorry if hindi din ako nakasama ng birthday mo at hindi rin ako nakapunta kasi busy talaga. May pasok din nun. And, may din kasi kaya may laro din kaya hindi ko nasisingit. More birthday to come ha. Galingan mo palagi. Good luck. And, good luck sa ACADS. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Tepi. I love you.
Birthday, Tep. Wishing you a day full of smiles, laughter, and all the love you deserve.
Hi, Step. Happy birthday. So, ang message ko lang sa'yo is thank you for being my friend. And thank you din kasi palagi kita kang kachikahan. And my food buddy. So, sana na-enjoy mo nung mismong birthday mo yung araw mo ha. So, yun lang naman. And stay mabait, stay sweet, stay healthy, and yun lang. Sana hindi ka magbago and sana pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging sweet mo kila tita, sa amin, sa iba mo pang friends, sa family mo, and yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Steph. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and I hope po na ma-cherish niyo po yung birthday niyo and your time with your friends and families. And may God bless you and for the last time, I wish you the best po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Tepi. Sana makasama ka na ulit namin sa tamburin at palagi ka lang mag-serve kay Lord.
Happy birthday, Ate Tepi. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless you.
Hi, Ate Stephanie. And babatiin lang naman po kita ng happy birthday po para po maging masaya ka. At kami po nila Jen, ni Aisha, ni Miles, ang magsasabi po ng ganito para sa'yo. And hindi ka namin papabayaan. And tsaka kung hindi naman po kami nakatay sa birthday mo at nakabigay na pang regalo, ang akin na po ay sana magmasaya ka po sa birthday mo. And para sa akin, happy birthday na rin po sa'yo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Tepi. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and
all your favorite things. May this year bring you joy, success, and unforgettable moments. May God bless you abundantly and guide you always. Happy birthday, Ate Tepi.
So yun, Ate Steph, happy birthday sa'yo. And mag-ingat ka lagi sa pang-araw-araw na gawin mo sa buhay, na huwag ka muna magjojowa kasi darating yung time para sa'yo. Para sa'yo. Darating din yung time na yan, kaya huwag mo muna madaliin. Yun lang. Goodbye.
Birthday, Tepi. I wish you to have a good health. We love you. Good luck sa journey mo, and always remember that God is guiding you and God is with you. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Stephanie. May God continue to guide, protect, and bless you. May your faith grow stronger and your heart remain joyful. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday sa Steph. Lagi kang mag-ingat. And sana pagpalain ka ng Panginoon, and sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday. Happy birthday sa iyo. And sana pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. Then lagi kang magsimba araw-araw. Then papurihin ka ng Panginoon. And enjoy your birthday.
Hi Stephanie, a blessed and happy birthday to you. We declare God's goodness in your life, and we declare blessings, His love, His joy, and His hope to surround you, your family, and your loved ones in your life. And we pray that God will continue to grant the desires of your heart. May you be a channel of blessing everywhere you go. May He always keep you safe and sound and loved. And happy blessed 16th birthday. We love you so much. We appreciate you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Steph. Wish ko lang sa'yo is stay healthy ka, stay pretty, and stay humble lang, kasi darating din sa point na magda-down lang ulit tayo. And yun lang, dalaga ka na. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Tepi! We really thank God for your life. You are a very sweet and kind friend to many. I know we may not be as close katulad dati, but I really appreciate how you made us feel na we're not far from you. Your beautiful smile and our little biroans make our friendship very, very precious. I just pray that the Lord bless your life and that He may preserve you and use you mightily sa kingdom niya. We love you, Tepi Tots! I love you, we love you!
A blessed happy birthday, Tep. I declare blessing upon blessing sa buhay mo, and I pray na i-grant the Lord lahat ng desire na nasa puso mo, and I pray na ingatan ka niya lagi and maging channel of blessing ka sa ibang mga kabataan. Yun lang, Tep. Love you. Happy birthday. Peace.
Happy birthday, Tepi! Wishing you an amazing birthday.
Filled with love, blessings, and laughter.
This is cake.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tepi!
May the Lord continue to bless you and guide you and protect you and give you wisdom. May He give you good health, and may He grant the desires of your heart. Keep on serving the Lord. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tip. May this new year of your life bring you lots of joy, good health, an exciting opportunity or moment in your life. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, Tipi. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless na.
Hello, pretty girl. Have a blessed happy birthday. May God bless you in all aspects of your life. I'm so happy and grateful na isa kami sa mag-greet sa isang napakagandang babae na magse-celebrate na kanyang birthday today. So, happy birthday, Steph. Be steadfast and immovable. Do not forget to thank the Lord sa buhay na ibinigay niya sa iyo, sa gift na ibinigay niya sa iyo. In 1 Corinthians 15:58, be steadfast and immovable. So stand firm, whatever shakings, whatever problems, or anumang mga pagsubok na dumaan sa ating buhay, laging tatandaan na andyan lagi si Lord, handang susuporta, handang mag-rescue sa atin. So, habang tayo ay nabubuhay, andun si Lord. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi alam kong marami pang mag-greet sa'yo, anak. And then, alam ko din na nasusurprise ka ngayon na nag-greet kami sa'yo. So, God bless you and have a blessed happy birthday. In behalf of our family, from our family, we love you so much and we thank the Lord dahil na naging part din kami sa iyo at nakilala ka namin. And also masaya kami dahil yung gift na nandyan sa iyo pinapagamit mo kay Lord. So I pray and declare na yung gift mo na magpatuloy kang magsiserve na Lord at magpapagamit para kay Lord. So God bless you, anak. Have a blessed, happy birthday.
Once again, Steph, anak, have a blessed birthday to you. So in your special day, always remember that God really love you, and always remember the book of Psalms 23 verse 6. He said that surely goodness and mercy shall follow you all the days of your life. So continue to stay humble, prayerful, and that is the secret of, if you want to become successful in your life someday. So I know mayroong maraming plano si Lord sa buhay mo, and I pray na yung kalooban ng Lord ang siyang mapangyari sa buhay mo. And because you are special in the sight of God, and you are wonderfully made by God. So today, we are very blessed because we are a part. I and my family is a part of your celebration. So thank you so much for inviting us. My prayer, we are always remember you in our prayer, and always remember that you are blessed. You are a daughter of God. You are guided by the Holy Spirit. So continue to serve the Lord whatever happens. So that's why si David, sabi ni David na as long as I live, I will serve the Lord. So ganun din ang ating dedication. Ganun din dapat yung ating prayer kay Lord, yung ating pangako kay Lord na hanggat mayroon tayong hininga, hanggat mayroon tayong buhay, maglilingkod tayo hanggang sa huli, yung ating paglilingkod kay Lord. Once again, anak, happy and blessed birthday to you, and please patuloy na maging happy ka, no, sa araw na ito. Continue to celebrate His goodness and His faithfulness in your lives, in your life. Okay, so have a blessed birthday to you. God bless you.
Happy 16th birthday, Steffi. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Keep serving the Lord, and He will give you all the desires of your heart. Lagi kang mag-aral mabuti, Steffi, and always be an obedient daughter, and always focus on Jesus. I love you, Steffi.
Happy birthday, Steph. Love you.
Happy birthday, Stephanie. Nawa pagpalain ka lagi ng Panginoon at subaybayan ka lagi ng Diyos for protection, and bigay sa iyo ang lahat ng pangailangan mo. Dahil alam ko patuloy kang maglilingkod sa Panginoon at Dalangin ko na maglagi kang manalangin at magtiwala sa Panginoon. Unahin mo ang Diyos sa buhay mo at nawa sa iyong kabataan, lagi kang magkaroon ng pagtitiwala sa Diyos. Yun lamang at happy birthday. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Steffi. Steffi, happy birthday, Steph. You're sweet 16 this time. Wish you a healthy, long life ahead, and I hope you enjoy the road, your journey towards the unknown yet, but hopefully very successful future. And we love you always. For us, you're always this cutie pie, cutie patootie. Even you're 16 now, you're still very pretty and always loved by us. And we hope and pray that you grow up successful, not just in this world, not just in in your success in your career, but we hope that you are successful spiritually by your you have a contentment of the heart, mostly with emotional intelligence. And we love you so much. And don't forget us, me and Tita Shawi. Tita Shawi is actually holding the record. She doesn't want to show her beautiful face to you, but please talk.
Inuman na. Happy birthday. Cheers. Love you. Sweet 16. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Inuman na tayo. Glug, 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 glug.
Okay, bye-bye, Steph. And regards to all. Bye. We love you.
Happy birthday, Stephanie!
Happy
birthday, Stephanie! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Stephanie!
Dapat yung si Mami.
Happy birthday, Stephanie!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Stephanie!
Ingat ka lagi!
Inagi mo ate!
We love you!
We love
Dudula, I love you sa'yo namin. I love you! Love you!
Love you!
Ingat lagi!
Happy birthday, Tepi! Happy birthday, Tepi! Alam mo naman, love na love ka ni ate. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay laging good health and patuloy ka na mag-serve kay Lord. At patuloy siyang maging sentro sa iyong buhay. At lagi kang mag-iingat, mag-aral kang mabuti. Andito lang si ate lagi para sa'yo.
Hi, Tepi! Mag-ingat ka palagi at this is your day. Enjoy at palagi mo isisento si God sa buhay mo. God bless. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Tepi. God bless you always. Say happy birthday to Tita Tepi.
Birthday to you. How is your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. What? I tell you about it. Oh.
Happy birthday, Steph. You're 16 already and you're growing up too fast. And lagi kong nasasabi sa ito na I'm lucky to have you as a sister and as a best friend. Thank you dahil ikaw yung naging kapatid ko. Di ko man lagi nasasabi sa'yo but ikaw ang source of strength ko. Ikaw ang rason kung bakit ako nagpapatuloy. And mahal na mahal ka ni ate. Sana wag kang magbago. Patuloy kang magkaroon ng mabuting puso. And continue to serve the Lord. And I love you so much. Mahal ka ni ate. I love you always and always. Happy sweet 16. I love you so much.
Hi, Steffi! Surprise! Na-surprise ka, no? Anyways, happy sweet 16 to you, anak. Alam mong mahal na mahal ka namin. Even na minsan talaga may mga times na we are struggling kasi dahil minsan hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan. I know na iba talaga yung ano ng kabataan ngayon, pero I do believe sa biyaya ng Lord, sa help ng Panginoon, nandun ka pa din sa right way. Kumbaga, tama pa din yung tinatahak mo, anak. And ayun lang, continue to serve the Lord, continue to your ministry, spread love, spread kindness to everyone. Salamat sa buhay mo na binigay sa'yo ng Lord. I-nurture mo yun, i-treasure mo yan. Kumbaga, mahalin mo kasi bigay yan ng Panginoon. So, yun lang. Baka magkaiyakan pa tayo. Anyways, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Lahat dito. Kaya, nandito kami tonight. We love you, anak. And continue to serve the Lord.